Okay, now I repair metal parts of the fingers. Okay, this is our situation, and we need a small screwdriver. Okay, and we can do a little hole. Now, it's okay. Perfect. And here. Perfect. So now we need little metal parts. We can use canned goods or cans beer. And okay, take a little brass parts now. Okay, I'm cutting a little stripe. Critical. Perfect. And mark the holes. In this way. Perfect. So now I want to make a bigger hole here to simulate our piece. I remember you can buy on Amazon this filigree pack. Is not expensive, and we need two type of rivets, medium and small. Always you can buy them on Amazon, not expensive. So make two hole. Some rivets diameter. Okay. One. Look. I need another rivet. Okay. And two. Now to fix it, use hammer very strong. Watch out for finger. Perfect. I hope it's aligned better. Oh, that's okay. And now the last rivet. Enlarge the hole if it is necessary. Use the hammer. That's okay. Perfect. Thank you so much.